of Maritime Excellence.
Giving you 5 minutes for briefing, ha? Two groups. The first group will act as a crew. Then will act as a passenger. Hindi, bahala kayo kung sino. Sino ang disabled? Sino yung makulit na lasing? Ayaw sumunod? Sino yung group 1? Anong group kayo? 1. O, sige, kayo ang maunang crew. Oh, yeah. I just asking kung sino ang group 1. So kayo, group 2, kayo muna yung passenger.
If you don't mind,
Oh.
please follow the rules.
Don't mind daw.
Yan.
I am Maricar, your master station leader. So I'm checking your cabin number. So
As I call your cabin number, please acknowledge.
As I call your cabin number, please acknowledge. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, last number.
Okay, thank you.